Hey guys, welcome to episode 8 of Project Toothless. First of all, congratulations to Sir Barney Ross. Sir Barney Ross po ay isa sa mga frontliners natin. Salute sir, congratulations dahil sa ikaw yung nanalo ng t-shirt natin na Project Toothless. Ito po siya yung video niya.
Sir, nakuha ko na pala yung t-shirt. Salamat.
So, I have to say sorry din pala kasi ang tagal na wala akong update about kay Toothless. It is because umorder nga ako sa Lazada, just like what I said last episode na order na ako para may video. And then nung na-order ko, dumating wrong item po. So, what I did is kinausap ko yung seller, so we agreed, so ship back and I have a refund. The refund is already processed, hinihintay ko na lang yung balik ng pera. Yun na lang po. So that's why I don't have something to video na mapapakita sa inyo kung how to kabit this and that, everything. So, one thing more is that yesterday, October 3, so today is 4, Sunday, I got hit by a trailer truck. It's my fault anyway. I admit it's my fault kasi I was trying to get in line and then hagip pa rin ako. Anyway, these are the pictures. So, yun. Was still lucky kasi iniisip ko na lang na lahat ng kamalas-malasan this 2020 doon na lahat napunta. Kesa naman pandemic ang dumapo. Yung dampi na lang na trainer sa fender ng kotse. Okay na yun. Anyways, we're gonna do the spin the wheel. And as you can see, andito na ho yung mga names nung nag-comment nung episode 7. So, we're gonna do spin for malalaman natin kung sino ang third winner sa t-shirt natin, Project Toothless. Okay, here we go. You gotta just stop this, spin, and there you go. 1, 2, 3. Ayaw. Go! Oh! Mio Dio! Akala ko si Tito Gary na yung mananalo. Hey, Mio Dio. Mio Dio. Si Mio Dio po ay taga... Saan ba? Dito. Oh, tama. Yung nakilala ko nga dito sa amin na YouTuber din. Mio Dio po ay isang YouTuber. Check nyo na lang yung kanyang account. And also, Tito Gary B as a YouTuber din. Hopefully, Sir Gary mag-comment ko dito sa episode 8. Baka sakaling ikaw na yung manalo. And for those... Itong mga nagtatang Sir Jovet, Alveri, si Sir Roel, yan. Yung mga may tanong dyan, nasasagot naman po sana namin ng tama yung mga tanong dyan sa mga episode 7. Anyway, so here we go now. Congratulations, Sir Mio Dio. You won Project Toothless t-shirt. Okay, so now we're going to the garage and check out kung anong pwedeng gawin sa car. Let's go! So here we are now kay Toothless. So as you can see, hindi pa siya naliligo, So I'm gonna show you yung sa sumabit. There you go. Yeah. That's bad. So what I'm gonna do now is siguro mamaya kukoberan natin ng sticker yan. Yeah, I'm gonna do a sticker dyan. And if you can see, merong wire, merong extension dyan kasi may gagawin tayo dito sa loob. So here's Toothless. As you can see, there's thing na nagdadangle around. Yan, nagkukulay ho ito eh. So the color of this one is blue. So pag gabi, pag binuksan mo, magko-color blue yung mga sa likod na rat. So dati na yan dito. So napigtas lang. So i-soldering natin yan. Anyway, ito po yung si Toothless, ang karga ho ni Toothless. Of course, face shield dahil everyday ho pumapasok, face mask, kailangan ho natin yan ngayon. Of course, si Biik, of course si Krikri, and then tissue over there. you know, in case of emergency. And tissue again in case of emergency in front. So yun. So ito yung gagawin natin ngayon. Magsasolder ko tayo niyan. And then ito pa pala, tignan ko kung kaya kong ayusin to. Kasi this one wala siyang ilaw. Kasi episode 7 nice natin to, no? It started to blink a week after installing the bulb, and then after 3 weeks wala na, dead na yung ilaw nito. So we're gonna fix that and this one. Let's go! Hey guys, so instead na doon ako nagsosoldering na nakahiga doon sa loob ng sasakyan, so what I did is that tinanggal ko na lang and then sosolder na lang natin dito sa dalawang to, tapos ito na lang ang ididikit natin doon sa wire na nandun para mas madali. Okay, let's go! Hello guys, so ito yung end product natin, ano? Ayan, oh, ang pangit, di ba? I'm not an electrician, that's why it looks like this. Ang pangit. Sa mga eksperto dyan, opo, pangit at hindi ako marunong. But you know, sabi na, wala tayong magawa eh, so yun lang. Almost as if I knew what I'm doing. Alam ko maraming tatawa, ang pangit eh. Anyway, so we're gonna try to kakabit natin kung iilaw siya. Pangit no? Pangit talaga. So yan na po siya, no? Let's try to switch it up. Ito ba yung switch niyan? Okay, pansin nyo po doon, may ilaw doon. Ganun po. Yan po siya. Okay, so may ilaw naman siya kahit pangit po yung pagka. Alam nyo na, ayan o, ang pangit, di ba? Yan. Anyway, so patayin huno natin at ayusin na lang natin, idikit natin dito sa bagyo sa taas. Alright. So ito na po siya, nalagyan na lang siya ng 3M. Ayan na po. Okay. Ganun din po dito. Kabila. Dito din po sa likod. Meron po sa kabila. Okay, so dito naman tayo ngayon. So binaklas-baklas ko na. So as you can see, makikita nyo naman. May ilaw po siya, di ba? Yung kabila at saka dito. Okay, so ito po walang ilaw. Ito po meron. So here it is guys, okay na siya. Okay. Hey guys, so dito po yung part na nabangga, no? May sticker na siya. Alright. Here we go again at Common Ground. You see, having my t-shirt here at Common Ground, where they have a lot of drinks to choose from. But I prefer the black one. So I'm drinking ice cold black coffee. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. This is my cousin. Yeah. So these are the things that you can choose from. You have hot coffee, you have iced coffee, you have cappuccino, peppermint, you have plain, you have vanilla. You have me. Char. So here's Toothless. As you can see, my friend Carlo called me basura because putting a sticker on Toothless, the roadkill sticker on. Alright. That's just about it. Thank you for watching episode 8. Goodbye. Hello boss, so gabi na. So ito po yung magiging itsura niyan, ano. Yan, so maggaganon siya. Pero din ho sa likod. Yan. So sara natin ulit. So mamamatay siya. Then you open. Alright. Tapos buo na ulit yung tatlo. Okay, that's just about it. Bye-bye.